Hello there, today I'll be showing you how to appear offline in Epic Games, and this is how to do it. As we get started, the first thing we want to do is launch the Epic Games Launcher. This is the standard user interface or UI for Epic Games. You can see your name here in the upper right corner. And if you have a green dot there, it usually indicates that you are online right now and that your friends are aware of it as well. In this instance, I must first provide you with a disclaimer. At this time, Epic Games does not provide the option to essentially reveal or hide your existence. However, there is a workaround available if you wish to play a single-player game in this situation without using the internet, and neither you nor your friends will be aware that you are playing. In order for us to utilize this, we must first click on our profile in the upper right corner. From there, you may access the settings. You want to go ahead and enable offline mode surfing under options. So make sure it is turned on. After that, all you have to do is disconnect your connection and begin playing your offline games. As of right now, this is the only thing we are able to do. It is only available for offline games, so hopefully you'll be able to play your games in peace. And there you have it. That is how to appear offline in Epic Games. We appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Until next time.